a new hobby. I got myself a bow, wanted to join the crew. This is a Mathews Prima, which is the women-made bow. It's like 4 pounds. I'm brand new to this, you guys. I really can't say a lot because I don't know a lot. I'm learning as I go. Just started out with a super simple fixed pin sight. I'm just working on repetition and muscle memory right now. Sam, quit. And yeah, didn't get too crazy. Got some cheap arrows. I've already lost 4 of them, 2 on the ground, 3 on the ground, 1 in the woods somewhere over there. And I retrieved 1 of them. So I'm on day 3. This is brand new to me. So I think I'm gonna bring you on the journey. So right now we are at 20 yards, and the focus is just to hit the target and to not punch my release. I'm not really aiming. I'm just getting the feel for it. I started at 10 yards. Now I'm at 20. And eventually I'll dial in my sight a little bit more. But I'm also documenting this so then I can look back and look at my form and see how I'm doing. So feel free to critique me. The biggest thing is getting that bubble. Pisses me off. Oh, hold on. Going the wrong way. See how new I am? Okay. It is fun though. My draw length, I guess it doesn't matter. Oh. You guys, this is so fun. All right. The bubble. I'm gonna move you. I'm gonna watch myself. And if you guys notice anything, please let me know. Any tips is appreciated. My biggest thing is squaring up my body and my hips. Hold on. Okay. Sounds good. Sam, what do you think? Am I hitting it? So, I've been watching. It's a lot easier to go above your head, draw down, and use that back muscle. This is 52 pounds. It doesn't really feel like that though. I've also struggled. I lost a couple arrows because I had both my eyes open. This is the dumbest thing. And I like focus my eyes wrong, not through my, it doesn't like go right through my peephole. So make sure you focus on that. Oh. Okay, I can already tell I'm not square. There I am. We're doing great. Rosie's behind me judging. She's like watching. She's like, Mom. She thinks I'm talking to her. She's right behind my camera. Hi. Alright. I felt really good about that setup. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna rewatch.